everybody, it's me. What's happened? I don't know what's going on. I went to bed a couple of days ago and I had what, 80 odd subscribers. Since Ben did my did a shout out for me, I think I'm at 2,500. What? Oh my god! Just wow! I mean, never, ever, ever did I ever expect a reception like that. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm a little bit surprised. Oh, honestly, everybody that's joined me, I had to get this this video out. I've got two videos that I was meant to be putting out, but I had to do this really quickly just to say thanks to everybody. The comments I've had have been absolutely brilliant. I've read every single comment, everyone, and I will do my very, 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 very best to reply to all of you. I'm sorry if I miss anybody. There's just I went out to have something to eat with my missus and the kids. We went to like a little local farmer's cafe, and I was having my breakfast and my phone just, I was a bit worried. I thought my phone was going to explode. I had the email notifications turned on for like new subscribers, and my phone was just going boom, 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 boom. I didn't know what was going on. So I've had that many comments and lovely comments. You lot have taken the time out to write to me. So for as long as I can, I will reply back to all of you. It might take quite a while because I've got a 6-week-old baby at home and a 2-year-old, and I've worked fairly long hours as it is. So if it takes a week, a month, or whatever, I'll try my very, very best to reply back to you. I've seen I've got some messages on YouTube, so I'll reply back to the messages when I can. I'll try and get through all the comments, and just thanks Dino, Ben. I said when he did the shout out, I said I'd buy him a pint, you know, for doing it, because I really appreciated it. I think I owe him a bit more than a pint. I think we're up for a bit of a heavy drinking session if I ever get around to returning the favour. Wow, just incredible. David from Farming Photography shared my channel, so if you're watching this, David, thanks ever so much, because that's got loads of likes on it. It's just, I'm really, really, really overwhelmed and humbled by what's just happened. It feels like a whirlwind. It's crazy, and I'm really happy that you all like what I'm doing. I really am. I was pretty worried to start, because the fact that because of the sort of the format of the channel that I'm going for is explaining things in detail. I was a bit worried I might get some people saying that's not how you do it, you're rubbish, you don't know what you're doing and all that. I've never said I'm the best. I'll never ever say I'm the best. You'll never hear me say I'm actually good at anything, but I've got a real passion for it, and if I can share that with people who want to watch, then job's a good one. I'm carting muck today. I've got a muck video coming up. It's only a fairly short one. Then I've got a video of me dealing with the beast from the east, which should have been out yesterday, but I didn't want to release any videos until I'd got this one out. So just thanks to everybody. It's really, really, really blown me away. I was chuffed to get 100. In fact, I was blown away to get 100. Wow. So thanks ever so much everyone for way, there's a wagon there. It's a bit of a nasty corner that. Downward grummet. So yeah, thanks ever so much. I'll think the videos might be a little bit quiet because the beast from the east has really given us a bit of a battering, like, and everything's really wet. There's loads of rain on top of the snow. It's made everything really wet, so there won't be any 1050 videos coming out, and possibly by the time it's dry enough I'll be on the drill and not on the 1050. So yeah, I'll do my best. So things might be a little bit quiet, as you can appreciate. So right, I'll leave it there for the waffle on. Yeah, just thanks, just absolutely made up, unbelievable. All right everybody, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.